Hey guys, like I promised, I'm back with this. Okay, so we're gonna turn this sideways. It's gonna be over here this time. No, it's gonna be right here. So, I've got my very own multi-tool. Well, let's start off. It's got 14 things. Let's start off with the saw. We've also got a small flathead, another small flathead, 2 bottle openers. This one has 4 on one flip. Okay, so we've got a nail holder, a saw, a ruler, and a nail file. A ruler and a nail file. I think a hole digger again. I think this is another hole digger and a Phillips head. A lot of people are probably going to say, why aren't there any hex bits? I don't know why there isn't any hex bits. I really wish there was, but there is none. And then another one of these wacky things. Again, I don't know what it is. It's like... Let's grab it. I'm not going to try to get it out because it's hard. It's hurting my fingers. So like when it's this... That was my Swiss Army knife, by the way. Then we've got a tweezers. Wrench, I think. Well, that's what I use it for anyway. And scissors. Right here. Yeah, it cuts skin. No problem. So that was my multi-tool. Hope you liked it. I'm going to try to find the case. It just slips into the case like so. Okay. Bye, guys.